Welcome back to another video. So within my previous video I made this. So I want to add the edge fillet over here, and as you can see CATIA v5 will not be able to do this. So there are no problems with the topology of the mesh over here. Of the model we see this is fully defined, radius 25, over here radius 25, and afterwards we're going to have the following cutouts. Again this will be radius 25, so those should be merged. Now, on the step file this will work, so I want to know if within CATIA 3DEXPERIENCE we can have this work. So I already loaded over here, this will be the step file, and I will also load the CATIA file. So I want this to be part 5, have it open, import. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so this will be the editable CATIA part. As you can see, all of those sketches have been transferred from CATIA v5. What I like a little bit more over here is that the color by default will be like this, so it's a lot easier to visualize. Now, I would like to leave the sketch faster. We have this to restore down, and we have this button to exit app. I would like to be able to leave that sketch using a hotkey or something. Now, let's take a look at the fillet. So, edge fillet with 5 on this edge, preview, okay. And just like within CATIA v5, we're going to have the same problem. So, the same operation ambiguity cannot decide whether a face must be kept or removed. Well, if I will go over here and expand this, if I will say that I want to keep following edge, in this case, even though I won't like it all to be kept, this will work, and we're going to have the following output. So we have an additional face over here created. This is on the editable CATIA file. If I'm going to go over here, and this will just be a step, as you can see there are no gaps between that. And if I will go with edge fillet on the following without any edges to be kept, you're going to see that this will work. So this is something I don't understand. I'm really curious why exactly the fillet works like this. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.